You have a piece of metal that you want to imprint, and we have metal stamps, and each of these have designs on it. And you'll take your blank and we'll practice hammering whatever shape you would like.
My name is Kate Ellis, and I'm here with my grandma and my 2 cousins, and we just decided to come here just on a whim and, trying something new, and it's always fun to spend some quality time with family. We were doing metal stamping. We made bracelets, and it was kind of frightening at first because of how loud the stamping was, but you kind of get used to it. It's fun to see the outcome and be able to make something from start to finish. I've done programs here before and I've loved every one of them. So this was definitely a really fun experience, and I'd be happy to come back again.